Hello guys, Emmanuel from Geekception here, and I got a mysterious package from OnePlus. And as you can see, it is so big and I cannot wait to unbox it. Let's begin. And welcome back guys, and if you're new here, well, welcome, have a seat, enjoy, relax. Let's get into this. And on the front of the box here is OnePlus, co-developed with Hasselblad. Now, interestingly for this, OnePlus sent this over, but they do not get to see or tell me anything or any of my opinions before you do. Enough of the boring stuff. Let's get into the box right here. And on removing it up here like this, I see, well, two more things actually. I see the OnePlus 11 there and also the OnePlus Buds Pro 2. Now, not only that, I also see like another pull tab here, which on removing it here, I find a second pull tab, which then contains like different things such as welcome to Cloud 11 here. And when you flip it, it just tells you like how this phone is so great and everything. I'm sure, someone did a very good job there. Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos, because this phone does contain that. Interestingly, that's something I would want to test as well. And also Accu Spectrum Natural Color Identifier. What does that mean? Well, it's a sensor, photo accuracy. I think this has to do with the camera here. So yes, I will also test all of that, but I don't care about all of that. What I care about is right here, which is the OnePlus 11. So let's start with the unboxing right here of the OnePlus 11. I wonder when reviewers go to heaven, is this what welcomes them? Let's get into the box right here. And now when I cut open the box right here, I do not want to damage anything. So I'm just going to be careful right here. I cut this here. We can, just, pop open this box right here. And the first thing I see is never settle, which is, the motto of OnePlus right there. Removing it right there, and ooh, I already see the phone and it's looking very sleek right there. So it has this, paper thing, and there's also like this overlay of a fingerprint scanner there, which shows that this has an on-screen fingerprint scanner. So I'm just going to get into the phone right here, and ooh, okay. First impressions, I'll definitely say, it's actually much more lighter than I would have actually imagined. But before I get into all of that, let me just check out the, rest of the box. So I'm just going to put that down there. I'm going to, remove all of this. And then the next thing is the charger. And let me tell you, I'm not sure if you can, understand the scale, but this charger is really, really chunky. And of course it is. It's a 100-watt charger. And for comparison, my MacBook, which is in the background right there, is 140 watts. So yeah, this is a chunky boy right here. And the final thing in the box right here is the cable, which I think is the cable that has the special sauce to be able to use that 100-watt charger, if I can get it out here. And it's in this special red color, which I believe is how you're able to take, advantage of that fast charging. And that is pretty much it for the unboxing of the OnePlus 11 here. And yes, I am super duper impressed by just how light it is. And, it has this curved edges, bringing me back to, I think, 2018, when all phones had like curved edges. And doing a quick tour of the device here, I would say there's a button here that actually changes like the sound, just like on an iPhone, which I think is really, really cool. As someone who uses an iPhone, it's much more easier to just have that instead of trying to silence your phone all the time. And the other only button on the right here is just a power button there. Now, if you go on to the left of the device, there is the volume buttons. There's just the two volume buttons, and that's pretty much it. On the bottom of the device here, I believe is a SIM tray slot, USB Type-C charging, and speakers right there, two speakers there. And on the top, there's just, I think, a microphone, and I'm not sure what that is. But yes, going on to the back, which is where I am most excited for this device, is the Hasselblad cameras. Now, I know they've got different configurations. I don't have them memorized in my head right now. So probably maybe it's on screen right now, or, at this stage, actually, maybe I'm not even going to put them on screen. Maybe I'm just going to take this, shoot different shots, of, people and places and things as well, and just, let those speak for themselves as opposed to like 4 cameras or 5 cameras. What does that even mean, right? So I'm super duper excited as someone who really loves photography to actually use the cameras here on the OnePlus 11. And when we go to the front of the device here is where you see like the large display. And according to OnePlus, because this was under embargo and I got this early, I cannot show you like how the phone actually looks like, the interface, but I can show you the boot logo. So I'm just trying to put it right here, and boom, that's about all I can show you for now, okay? So stay tuned if you want the review, and any requests you have, let me know down there in the comment section. Don't be shy, okay? Okay, this is like so funny. I was about to like pack the box and unbox the OnePlus Pro here, but I actually forgot that there is something inside the box here. So let me just quickly unbox it here. And I think it's just like the manuals and like the boring stuff, but hey, you know, authentic experience I am giving you right here, you know, come on. Where else are you going to get this, man? So I think it's just what? Papers? Yeah, so you get your welcome paper here. And what else do you have? Ooh, you have your never settle. I think you're supposed to tear this off. So I think, ooh, that's very satisfying actually. Here, this is your new OnePlus, a flagship. Well, this is so nice. And something cool apart from like, obviously this letter from Pete, the founder of OnePlus here, is actually, you know, the same tray removal tool here, which I am probably going to use when I pop a SIM card into this baby. Other than that, we only have like the stickers. It's got like ton of stickers here, which I think, yeah, maybe one of this might go on my MacBook, who knows. Really cool stickers. It's always nice to see stickers. A safety guide, and what else? A quick guide, okay? If you wanted quick maths, yes, quick guides. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to pack this up and let's unbox the OnePlus Pro 2, I think is the name. Yes, let's do it. And next we have the OnePlus Buds Pro 2 right here. Try saying that like 10 times really fast. And I think the feature I'm most excited about here on the Buds Pro 2 is what I'm going to call them, is the noise cancellation, and also it has like, I think, spatial audio, which I'm dying to try. Let's get into it. Again, I have my trusty knife right here and I'm just going to, you know, cut that and get into the box right here. Now, I think this would, I believe would be the first OnePlus earbuds I'll be using. And in fact, when I look at like the last product that I reviewed of OnePlus, I think it was like such a long time ago. Hello guys, Emmanuel from Geekception here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the OnePlus 2. Anyway, getting into the box right here is Buds for Life. That's the first thing I see right here. And when I remove it, I'm not going to make this mistake like the same last time, okay? Let's quickly just take a look at what is inside the box here. And the first thing I see is, ooh, there's a Melody Boost dual driver technology. Okay, that's pretty cool. There's also like a note here from Pete as well, which is always a nice touch, right? Like a note is always nice. There's all of these papers, which I think I will only read when I cannot figure shit out, but I will try to figure stuff out first. And after all of that is out of the way, I just want to get to the earbuds here. And the experience here is really nice. Like, look at this. It's got like this pull tab as well, which is very reminiscent of like, you know, Apple devices, right? And the first thing I see actually when I take it out is there's this thing called a touch area, which shows you that you can actually touch the earbuds to like control them, which is always nice because I think many people will miss that. And it's such a nice thing to have it that, you know, it's just right there when you take it out for the first time, right? Which is really cool, you know, good method of introducing stuff. And just like the phone right here, I actually have both of them in this green color. So they actually match. So, you know, to whoever packed my media package here, good job. You know, I really like the color coordination right there. And number one, I think I like the fact that it's not white. It's not like, you know, it's on your ears and then people think that, oh, this is just like a Apple AirPods knockoff, right? So I like that that is not there. There's a Dyn Audio, you know, logo there because apparently they designed this. I'm trying to look for where it is on the box. They actually designed this in collaboration with Dyn Audio. So that will be interesting to see how it is and sounds. So let's check out what else is in the box. And yeah, there's just 2 more compartments here. And I actually really love that most of the things here are done with like pull tabs. It's really, really nice. I like the presentation here. And here you can probably see like all of the other sizes of the ear tips. And then there's a final thing here, which is just accessories. So I think if I put that up there, I think this should just be the charging cable if I'm correct. And yes, I am correct. And also just like the cable for the phone itself, it also comes in like a red cable. So it matches really, really well. I like that attention to detail here, OnePlus. So I'm just going to put that there as well. And yeah, that is pretty much it for everything that come here. And I'm just going to, you know, just remove this for the first time right there. I think that is what they used to, you know, stop it from turning on. And yeah, let's put it in my ear. Let's see how that is. I'm just gonna pop that out like that, put that in like that. And yeah, I think I can already feel like, not the noise cancelling on, but like, you know, when you put something on your ear and your voice now changes, that is exactly how I feel right now. So yes, that is the OnePlus Pro 2 here. And yeah, I will be making several videos about these 2 devices, both the OnePlus 11 and also the OnePlus Buds Pro 2, Pro Buds 2. Yes, this one. So if you have any requests or anything, really, please don't be shy. Don't be shy. Let me know in the comment section down there below. And a huge shout out to OnePlus for sending me this super early, inviting me to their event, Chinese New Year event. And also to my main man, Shariel. You know, shout outs to my main man, Shariel. And yeah, I am super duper excited to take this out, you know, shoot videos, play games, and just give you guys my 5-day review of how the OnePlus 11 is going to be. And yes, we have come to a close. I know you want to hang out a little bit longer. It's getting dark and you know, you are like, I should go home. But yes, I know, I have to let you go now. Make sure you take care of yourself, you stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to be awesome. Bye.